Hi everyone. Welcome to this video on investing. If you're new to the world of investing, you're probably wondering what it's all about and how you can get started. At its simplest, investing is the process of putting your money to work in the hopes of generating a profit. There are many different ways to invest, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, to name just a few. One of the key principles of investing is the idea of risk versus reward. In general, investments with higher potential rewards also come with higher levels of risk. It's important to consider your own risk tolerance and to choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk profile. The world of investing can be intimidating, but it's an important way to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. With a little knowledge and some careful planning, anyone can start investing and potentially reap the rewards. Great investors know that success in the world of investing requires more than just a knack for picking winning stocks. It also requires a deep understanding of the principles of investing and the ability to apply those principles in a disciplined, systematic way. One of the best ways to gain this understanding is by studying the works of great investors and financial thinkers. Books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham offer a wealth of knowledge and insights that can help investors make better decisions and achieve better results. But it's not just about learning new concepts and strategies. Great investors also recognize the importance of staying current and continuing to learn and adapt to changes in the market. Reading and studying the works of other great investors can help investors do just that. In short, reading and studying great books like The Intelligent Investor is an essential part of the journey to becoming a great investor. By immersing themselves in the works of the masters, investors can gain a deeper understanding of the principles of investing and learn how to apply them in their own portfolios. The Intelligent Investor is a classic book on value investing, written by Benjamin Graham and first published in 1949. Over the years, it has gained a reputation as a must-read for anyone interested in investing, and its principles have been applied by some of the most successful investors of all time, including Warren Buffett. In The Intelligent Investor, Graham argues that the key to successful investing is to focus on the intrinsic value of an investment, rather than its market price. He advises investors to be cautious and to avoid speculative investments, instead opting for a more disciplined, long-term approach. One of the key concepts introduced in the book is the idea of Mr. Market, a fictional character who represents the mood swings of the stock market. Graham advises investors to take a detached, objective approach to Mr. Market and not to get caught up in the emotional highs and lows of the market. Another important concept in The Intelligent Investor is the idea of margin of safety, which refers to the difference between an investment's intrinsic value and its market price. Graham advises investors to only make investments when the margin of safety is large, as this reduces the risk of loss. In addition to these core principles, The Intelligent Investor also covers a wide range of topics, including portfolio diversification, the importance of a long-term perspective, and the role of professional investment managers. Overall, The Intelligent Investor is a timeless guide to value investing that is still relevant and widely read today. Its principles have stood the test of time and continue to be followed by investors around the world. According to Benjamin Graham, during times of economic recession, investors should focus on maintaining a long-term perspective and not getting caught up in the emotional ups and downs of the market. He advises investors to take a disciplined, systematic approach to investing and to prioritize preserving capital over trying to generate short-term gains. In terms of specific strategies, Graham suggests that investors consider buying stocks that are out of favor or that are trading at a discount to their intrinsic value. He also advises investors to diversify their portfolio and to include assets such as bonds and cash, which may be less volatile in times of economic downturn. It's also important for investors to have a well-thought-out plan in place and to stick to it, rather than making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. By staying focused on the long term and following a disciplined investment approach, investors can weather the storms of economic recession and emerge in a stronger position when the market recovers. Warren Buffett, widely regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time, credits much of his success to the teachings of Benjamin Graham. Buffett studied under Graham at Columbia Business School and later worked for him as an analyst at Graham-Newman Corporation. Buffett has often cited Graham's book, The Intelligent Investor, as a major influence on his investment philosophy and has referred to Graham as his mentor. Buffett has also been known to apply many of the principles outlined in the book in his own investment decisions, such as focusing on the intrinsic value of an investment and considering the margin of safety. In short, the success of Warren Buffett can be largely attributed to his adherence to the principles espoused by Benjamin Graham. As mentioned before, Warren Buffett is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time, with a net worth of over $100 billion. Buffett's wealth has been accumulated through a variety of investment strategies, many of which can be traced back to the principles outlined in Benjamin Graham's book, The Intelligent Investor. One key strategy that Buffett has employed is his focus on the intrinsic value of an investment. Buffett looks for companies that are undervalued by the market and that have strong long-term prospects, rather than chasing after high-flying stocks or engaging in speculative investments. Another important aspect of Buffett's investment approach is his emphasis on diversification. Buffett is known for having a highly diversified portfolio, with investments in a wide range of companies and industries. This helps to spread risk and reduce the impact of any single investment on the overall portfolio. Finally, Buffett is known for his long-term perspective and his willingness to hold on to investments for extended periods of time. This fits with Graham's emphasis on a long-term approach to investing and the importance of avoiding impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. Overall, Buffett's wealth accumulation and investment strategies can be linked to the principles outlined in The Intelligent Investor and his adherence to a disciplined, long-term approach to investing. In conclusion, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is a classic book on value investing that continues to be relevant and widely read today. Its principles, such as focusing on intrinsic value, practicing caution, considering margin of safety, and maintaining a long-term perspective, have been applied successfully by some of the most successful investors of all time, including Warren Buffett. As we move into 2023 and beyond, investors would be well advised to study and apply the principles outlined in The Intelligent Investor in their own investment decisions. By following a disciplined, systematic approach and focusing on the long-term prospects of an investment, investors can potentially increase their chances of success and achieve better results in their portfolios. Please note that the information provided in this video should not be considered professional financial advice. It is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Every individual's financial situation is unique and may require professional guidance. Please consult with a financial advisor or other qualified professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and that you have a better understanding of the principles outlined in The Intelligent Investor and how they can be applied to your own investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content on investing and personal finance. We'll be back with more helpful tips and insights in the future, so stay tuned. In the meantime, if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks again for watching.